Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. Happy New Year everybody. I know it's a little bit later in January already, and I apologize for the lack of videos around Christmas time and the New Year. I was away and then came right back and went to work, and honestly, weather hasn't been great, and lighting hasn't been great, so I really haven't done any model videos. This model in front of the camera right now, the one that we're going to be unboxing and reviewing today, I've actually had since last year. I got a few in before the year or 2023 ended, and I just didn't get a chance to review them before and get them uploaded. So my apologies on that. I know I've been a little bit inconsistent in terms of uploading. I was doing really well, and then I just got really busy and didn't have a chance to continue. So I apologize about that. But anyways, we're starting off 2024 here with this Hawaiian Airlines 787 by Aviation400. Super excited to have this. I know NG released this and that sold out really quickly. I didn't get a chance to get it. But then Aviation400 with their new, I think this is like the one with the detachable gear. They've done this, and this is with their new 787 mold. So I'm super excited to take a look at this and see what this is like. This is the first 787 I've got from them that has this new detachable gear stuff. They've actually really been on a trend of doing that. And I mean, from what I've seen, it's pretty cool. They've done a really good job with it. I know their A380s have it. It seems like they're just trying to, provide this option for their entire product line, which is, I think, pretty cool and pretty unique because nobody else is really doing that. So yeah. Anyways, here it is. Here's the box. November 780 Hotel Alpha. I've actually seen this aircraft. I saw it when it was in Charleston, actually in 2021, when it was stored. It had been produced. It was built, but it hadn't. I don't even know if it had flown at that point yet. But the aircraft then got stored in Texas, I want to say in San Antonio for a while, and now it's up in Seattle at the Boeing at Painfield. Just stored there for now. I'm not sure when it's actually going to be delivered. I know they're supposed to be getting them soon, because they're supposed to start flying them, I believe, this year. So yeah. But super excited to have this, to add to the Hawaiian collection, because I know LA is going to be one of the destinations that this flies to. So here we have the box. Pretty straightforward. Pretty nice though. Nothing crazy really. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Sure, let's see, what configuration does it come in? It comes in, okay, so as you can see, it comes in the configuration of no gear in. The gears on the side that you have to put in. It has little picks, it looks like, and it looks like a stand. Okay, so very interesting. So it's gonna be a one where we have to do a little bit of assembly. So I'm gonna readjust this here. We're going to take a look at it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so let's see. There's the gear. Here's these are the little pieces that used to configure it in the gear up. You have the little picks, I guess, to get them out or in. I'm going to leave that and the stand as is. We're gonna go ahead and open up the gear here. Let's see, how does that open up? It's a little pouch, it looks like. Yeah, there we go. So there's the magnetic gear pieces. I'm not going to lose that little bag just in case, so we're going to put it back into the packaging there. And we're going to go ahead and take them all out. Wow, from what I can tell though, this does look absolutely immaculate. This is incredibly detailed. Wow. Okay, so the nose gear is gonna go in. So we're gonna do a little bit of assembly. We're just gonna slot that in, and it just has a little magnet, and it stays in. It's pretty good in there. It's a little loose, but as that's to be expected with detachable gear like this. But other than that, overall, it actually works really well. So let's see. This one goes. Where does this go? So this one should go. Wait, what? I'm confused. So that one should go. Oh, okay. There we go. So that just slots in there. Yeah, okay. That works. That works pretty good. Sorry, I'm doing this kind of off camera here. My bad. There we go. So we're just trying to get it slots in. And then just rests in. You can shake it around, they don't come out. Okay, with that being assembled there, so now we have the gear on. That looks right, yep. Yep, we'll go ahead and place it on the box, and we will go ahead and take a look at the detail here. So, as you can see, absolutely stunning looking aircraft. This mold is fantastic. Aviation400 has done a really good job with this. Same with NG. It's on par with NGs in my opinion. These two, I know there's some minor differences. I know Yesterday Airlines just kind of talked about that, but personally, I think they're both incredibly good. I don't have any complaints about either. And I also think again, this whole detachable gear situation, I think it's actually pretty cool that they're able to do it and to do it so well. Because as you can see, I didn't have any issue there putting it in. The detail was all still there with them. And the little magnets work really well. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead here and take a close-up look here. So cockpit nose area, pretty nice. You have Boeing 787-9 right there. And the gear door looking very nice there with 780 and E-tops on it. The gear itself looked pretty good. I gotta say they're not too bad. L1 door there, very nice. And you have the flag right there and everything, some good detail. The Hawaiian titles, and obviously an Aviation400 staple, the little beacon right there. Very, very nice. You have all the details, other details along the fuselage there, very nice. L2 door and the antenna on the top. Got the beautiful silver, I forget the name of this. The leaves, the pattern here, very, very nice. It does shine, it looks fantastic. You got L3 door there, emergency exit, I believe that is. The little Wi-Fi box on the top there. I actually have to look, I'm not sure. I don't, well, when I saw the aircraft, it was from a distance. I don't remember seeing if that's actually what the little box looked like or not, and I really didn't compare a picture beforehand. Look at a picture beforehand, but yeah. Dreamliner, American flag and registration, November 780 Hotel Alpha. And then the back here with a beautiful tail, looking fantastic. You have the antennas on the top there, the L4 door there, looking very nice. Wings, very nice as well. No like crazy flex or anything. The engine's looking very, very nice as well. Some great detail on that. Yeah, they look fantastic there. Great detail, well placed. Don't see any issues with those at all. So looking very nice. Spinning it around on this side, you just have the baggage door, the main door there. Actually, on this side, the bulk bin door is somewhere on this side. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, it's right. If it'll focus, it is right there. It's right there. Okay, yeah. all 787s have that bulk bin door on that side there. Anyway, on this side then you have the forward door as well, cargo door, and yeah. Very, very nice. Taking a look at it head on. Great looking aircraft. As you can see, everything is very well done. We'll actually zoom out a lot more and we'll take a look now. So top down view. Overall, very nice there. Bottom, a lot of great detail around everywhere. The gear doors, great detail there on both of them. The gears themselves, very nice. You can see there's some great detail all on it. They are rolling, they don't tilt. Actually, oh, they do tilt. Oh, that one does. And that one did. This one doesn't. But anyway, that I literally don't really care about that. There's a beacon right there. There's great detail on the gear and everything. And for, these being detachable and everything, it's actually really, really nice. It's fantastic. They've done a great job with all of it. It's all very well done. You have the antennas on the bottom there. Overall, a stunning model. Very impressed. Sorry about that. Excuse me. Yeah, a very, very well done model by Aviation400. It actually, I'm highly impressed by this. As I say, this is the first one with the detachable gear, but it really doesn't change anything because the gear is just, it fits in perfectly. You really wouldn't know. And I think it's really cool that, you do have the option if you ever wanted to take the gear out and put it in sort of flying configuration with the gear up. But yeah, very, very nice model. Very well done. Highly recommend it. I don't know if it's still available anywhere, but yeah. Anyways, guys, with that being said, I hope you did enjoy. You're going to see this video coming out a little bit before a previously recorded video that was from last year that I somehow missed in uploading before the end of the 2023. So I'm uploading this one. This one should come out here at the end of January, and that other one, second to last week of January, and then the other one's going to come out probably about the last week of January or the first week of February. And then you'll see a couple more videos, model videos coming out. I will say for the new year and everything, I've slowed down on collecting again a little bit. Just going through some stuff. Got to focus on other things. So unfortunately, it has meant that I've passed on some really, really good models. I don't know if I'll ever be able to get some of these that have been released, some of the NG and Gemini jets and stuff. But I mean, it is what it is. Just priorities and life happens. But nonetheless, I still have a couple models trickling in here and there. So you'll see a couple more videos throughout the first bit here of 2024. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you did enjoy. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos as well as other content. And with that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.